If you're dealing with roaches in an apartment, this is exactly what you need to do to get rid of them in the best way possible. I'll be honest with you, you're not going to get rid of them 100% completely if the rest of the residents, the tenants, whatever in there is not on the same board as you, using the same products and doing the same thing as you to get rid of the roaches. But we can try to mitigate how many can enter your home and basically not see them at all using these steps, right? So let's get into it. The first step I will always tell anyone of my clients to do in an apartment is find every crack and crevice and try to seal them the best as you can. Now, yes, this is a lot of work to do, but it's the work that it has to be done because without that, they can easily wander in, easily reproduce in that area, and you will always see them consistently, right? So I'll always start with looking for cracks and crevices, any wall voids that can be covered with tape or anything like that to stop them from entering. We're not trying to eradicate the infestation. We're trying to make your apartment an impenetrable fortress so they can't come in. Impenetrable. Yeah, that's the word. Yes, so they can't come in. That's what we want. We would never ever get rid of all the roaches in the apartment if no one else is doing the same thing as you are doing. Just remember that. That's the expectation. We want to mitigate as much as possible of the roaches coming in. That's the first step. Step two, I would suggest getting a non-repellent spray and an IGR. Now, you might be wondering, why am I getting these? Wouldn't a repellent spray work better? Well, in any case, if roaches do get in, we want them to walk on over it undetected so we can kill them. And if they are trying to reproduce in your apartment, we can stop that reproduction right there with the IGR. So we would want that in your apartment at all times so they can't reproduce and they're getting killed at the same time. So I will say get that as well. And I say treat your apartment every 7 to 10 days in the areas that you see them the most. We do not have to spray the whole apartment. We do not have to spray the walls, the floors, just the baseboards and under appliances like refrigerators, ovens, dishwasher, stuff like that, so we can actively get to them without really hurting you or your family or your pets. We don't want that. We just want to stop them from coming in. And if they do come in, they're dying on the way in. That's what we want to do for that. Then the next step, I will say, place glue boards down. Glue boards with some bait on it so you can see what's coming in, and if they're coming in, we're catching them as well. We're just trying to stop them from wandering freely like they always have been doing in your apartment. Catching them, spraying them, sealing is what we need to do. Because like I said, you will never get rid of all the roaches, but if we can make it so your house is so unfavorable to them, that's what we want. So you're gonna seal, spray, and place glue boards down to see the activity and stop them as well. And the last step is just do that for the remainder of you living there. That's all, in my opinion, you can do for roaches in an apartment, unless you get in contact with the manager and he's saying, yeah, I'll do that for everybody. If not, this is the best route. This is mostly everybody's route who's in the apartment. I know how frustrating it can be living with roaches and not being able to stop them because the neighbors have them, or you're clean but they're coming from the upstairs. I know how frustrating it is. I lived through it. My mom lived through it. I totally understand. But this is one of the best ways for you to get rid of roaches inside your home. And it goes sealing, spraying, glue boards, and monitor. That's basically what you can do, and have at least a acceptable living space without roaches. Of course, cleanliness is one of them, and don't give them any kind of food or water. Wipe down things at night, put things away, empty garbage cans. Don't give them anything or any reason to come there. But besides that, this is the steps you need to take to stop roaches from an apartment, and I will recommend you doing this. And if you need help with anything like this, any steps, any suggestions, I'm leaving the community down below in the description. You can go sign up for that. Go in that. I will help you. I will be there. I will talk to you. I want you to get rid of roaches, and I want you to do it effectively and safely for your kids and family. So I will see you there, and I'll see you later.